In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create affiliate links on the AliExpress partner portal. As we dive into this guide, you'll learn how to transform the huge selection of AliExpress products into personalized affiliate links that can boost your earnings. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your affiliate marketing strategy, this tutorial will make the process feel straightforward and accessible. To start off, you'll need to head over to the AliExpress partner portal, which is the hub for all affiliate marketing activities associated with AliExpress. This is where you'll manage links, track earnings, and analyze your performance. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your command center, offering a snapshot of your activity and enabling you to navigate to the tools you'll need. If you're new to affiliate marketing, spend a little time familiarizing yourself with this space to make navigating easier down the line. To create an affiliate link, first click on the Promotion option in the menu. This will open up different promotional tools designed to help you craft your marketing strategies. Among these tools, you'll find the Promotion Links option, which is what we need for creating links. Selecting this will bring you to a page where you can start transforming any AliExpress product URL into your own personal affiliate link. The next step involves determining which products you want to promote. Head over to AliExpress's main site and browse until you find a product you believe would appeal to your audience. Once you've identified this product, copy its URL from the browser's address bar. Make sure the URL is complete and accurate, as we're going to convert this directly into an affiliate link. Back in the partner portal, you'll find an option labeled Create Affiliate Link. Click on this and you'll be prompted to paste the URL you copied earlier. Enter the URL into the designated field and click Generate. The system will then process your input and produce a unique affiliate link. This is the link you'll use in all your communications, whether it's in blog posts, social media, or email campaigns. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Another tip is to customize and organize your links for easier tracking. The portal allows you to add a custom ID to your links, which can be anything that helps you track performance. It could relate to the platform where you'll post the link or a specific campaign. Using custom IDs is invaluable for refining your strategies and understanding which efforts are yielding the best results. Now that you've got your affiliate link, you can start integrating it into your promotional content. Whether you're crafting engaging blog articles, posting on social media, or sending out emails to your subscribers, share your link confidently, knowing that it's ready to drive traffic and potentially earn revenue. And that's it. You're all set to create and share your affiliate links using the AliExpress partner portal. With a bit of strategy and creativity, these links can become a significant source of income in your affiliate marketing journey. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you tap into your affiliate marketing potential with AliExpress.